Patrick, my husband, has sworn to send me to an early grave.
But isn't it? Come to think of it, is marriage all about beating and domestic violence? I don't understand anymore. But wait, tell me the truth. What caused today's beating?
Norma, it was nothing serious, if I may say. Patrick gave me 1,000 naira to prepare soup with Gary inclusive.
Hey, 1,000 naira, Gary and soup.
My dear, when I begged for an additional money, that was it. Patrick flew up and descended on me. Look at the ugly evidence of my body. Hey, who on earth will believe that you and I are mates?
Just like that. What kind of husband is that?
The irony of the matter is that after beating me, he will dump me in his car and take me to a chemist shop for treatment. Hey, Patrick! Oh.
With everything that is happening in your marriage, I don't think I will get married though. See, I have a lot of suitors, but with what I'm seeing in your marriage, beating, fighting every now and then, marriage is not for me.
Don't talk like that. Don't talk like that. Because our destiny differs. The fact that my marriage with Patrick did not work out does not mean that yours cannot.
Please stop. Just stop it. Stop deceiving me. Leave all of those talk. With what I have been seeing in your marriage. What is the meaning for me to say again?
Meanwhile, Noma, please go in there and give me some money so that I can add to this 1,000 naira he gave to me. I have to get that food ready before he gets back. If not, I'm going to receive another round of beating. One Nnebe.
Like seriously. Okay, no problem. Let me go in and get some money for you. Okay?
Oh, you never know, Patrick. That man is horrible. He's going to kill me one day in the house. Okay, boo-boo.
What is this? Patrick is still beating you till now?
Yes, Mama.
Sit down. I thought he had stopped.
No, Mama. The volume of wellness increases each passing day.
Oh my God. What is your uncle saying about this?
Mama, not to know. Uncle Okwago sold me to Patrick because since he has never wanted him to stop beating me.
Hey, wickedness. I know he will not say anything about it. Birds of the same feather. People that enjoy seeing their women suffer. They love food. But one thing I know that you could believe with that God will pay them back in their own coin. But a dark coin. No, Sambato. Look at your battered friend. I don't know if Patrick is still beating her like this.
Mama, he's still beating her. Look at her face. Everywhere. You see, Mama, this is the reason I don't want to accept any of those support. I don't want someone to beat me.
You marry you. You will accept the support. But any of them that they lay hands on you see people that say coffee. The day that guy, anybody lay hands on you, I'll give them a customer. A very palatable customer. If they try it, I'll kill them. Kill them. Any man that touch my daughter will what? He's dead.
That's my mother.
Yes. Looking at your mother, they should know. Lay hands on you.
Mama, let me see her.
What you read? It's possible to carry water in your mouth.
Okay, Mom.
Stop and feel like huh?
Thank you. Oh, Mama, bye-bye.
You don't know what you have until you lose it. You don't know what you have until it is lost. You say a good wife is a blessing from above. A virtuous woman is very rare to find. So if you find a good woman, hold on tight here. If you find a virtuous woman, brother, treat her well. Makanezi wanyi bona chukwu kosi abiano. Joy wanyi dema bukwa Chinenye. Brother, handle it care. And I know. You don't know what you have until you lose it.
This is 3,000 naira. Beautiful woman. And please, you know what my mother said? You have to avoid anything that will make your husband beat you. Avoid it. Avoid his words. 3,000 naira charge. So, thank you very much. Thank you very, very much. But also avoiding Patrick's beating. Nothing can be done about that though. Hey, why? He loves molesting and beating me. It is his hobby. Any day he did not beat me, he's not happy.
God forbid, don't say that again. What kind of husband does that? Are you sure he's not under satanic spirit?
Hey, either he is, or someone somewhere is manipulating him against me to frustrate my marriage. I don't know. Nothing is impossible in this wicked world of ours. Nothing.
How long are you going to stay in this marriage? Fully domestic violence. How long?
I
I don't want you to die, yo.
I don't know.
I don't want you to die.
I don't know. That is why it is good for everyone to have something doing to earn a living. It's your, if not, she will suffer like me, the way I'm suffering now.
You have a choice. Yes, you have a choice in this case. Why not walk out of this marriage? Enjoy your freedom as a single girl. Live to the fullest. Don't allow any man treat you this way all in the name of marriage. What's all this?
Oh my, you know I'm an orphan.
And so what?
I'm an orphan, no.
And so what? Just stop this. So because you are an orphan now, you die there. You die in that marriage. You allow a man treat you like a trash. See, you have to stand up. Stand up to your feet. Resist. Be on your own. You can make something out of your life.
Let me start running along. I can prepare the food.
I'm telling you the truth from the depth of my heart. If you accept me as your husband, I swear I will never lay a finger on you.
Obina, I will not fall for these sugar-coated words. See, not after I have seen what my friend is going through in that her so-called useless, stupid husband.
I understand what you mean, though, but it doesn't matter. Men differ, all right? I know I'm a different man. Not every man in this world will lay a finger on their
Obina,
wives.
all men are the same. All men are the same. In fact, as of now, I am not ready to marry. I am not ready to get married to any man. And even when I am ready, my mother will be the one to make the decision.
Norma, why would you say a thing like that? Why would you talk like this? You're a grown girl. You're a matured lady. All right? It is you who have to choose the man to spend the rest of your life with, not your mother.
I said no. My mother is more experienced. See, my mother always tell me, all men are liars. Men are deceitful. She's experienced. She knows better than I am. So she'll be the one to make the choice and not me.
I will not take that from you. I'm not deceitful. Even if all the men in this world are, I am not. I will not be.
Are you not
All
a
right?
man?
I'm a man, but that doesn't mean I'm like every other man.
In fact, I won't even stand here listening to this bullshit you're saying. I have to take my leave. Excuse me.
No, we're not fighting now. Okay, yes, all men are the same, but Norma. Why say any bad thing?
Nene. Where exactly did you send my daughter Norma yesterday that made her return late last night?
Have you lost your senses? Are you mad? You mean you called me out Nena to answer you? How? I don't understand. What did this one start? It's like you don't know yourself in this house. You don't have a mouth in this house. It's not peaceful between you and I. Let's leave it like that.
Nena, have you suddenly gone mad? That you've forgotten that no matter whatever I am, until death do us part, I remain your husband.
Are you alive? Ye don't want to. So if they say people that are alive should come out and raise their hand, you even make a step. Try it. I'll bring your hand down. You're dead. You are not existing. You're just here. So be managing yourself like this and allow me to stay in peace. When did you even start hearing? I don't understand.
Nena, is this an answer to my question?
And who is going to answer your stupid question? You Please. Want me, Nana, to answer your stupid question?
Answer my question, Nena.
I'm warning you. I'm warning you. Don't ever call me to ask me stupid questions again. So if they call men to come out, now you not say, men, come out. You make a step to come out. What walk it down? He won't no, I don't let me.
Nena, answer me.
Come on, shut up. See. You don't have a mouth in this house. Let me not remember you.
Nena, answer me before I lose it.
Do you have anything to lose? Or when you want to tell you, if you lose it tomorrow, I can put you girl. If I can see the wife, I'll do what you agree. Try me. I'll kill you in this house.
I will deal with you.
Don't ever in your life come again to ask the question.
Nena, come back here. I say come back here and answer my question.
Try it. Are you mad? When I see men, I know. Men that talk and do things. Oh,
Mama, he is my father, and I owe him explanation. I don't want more problems in this family.
You owe that man no explanation in this your entire life. The only person you owe explanation in this life is me. After all, I'm the one that will tell you if he's your father or not.
Mama, if Mazigwe is not my biological father, tell me now. Am I not big enough to know who my father is? At least let me know where I come from, my lineage.
Just shut up, officer. What do you know is the definition of lineage? Get my lineage, yo. When did you grow this wild to talk back at me? I just said something. Did I tell you it's not your father? Or if I'm
Mama, I cannot wait for you to detect it. I can't wait. Are you mad?
Have you lost your senses? Oh, you've grown so big that you not talk back at me in this house. You want to challenge my authority in my house? In Apuala. Try it next time.
Mama, just because you are my mother, I will let this go. But the next time, I can't say what will happen. I can't say.
No, tell yourself that you've slapped me already now. You have slapped me already. Next time you do what? Next time you will do what? You slap me already. See, next time I will say it. If you try anything, I will kill you. And I will still bury you. Nobody will do anything. Idiot. Can you imagine? See your someone in the yard. Are you mad? Hey, no. Hi. You're suffered in your life. Hi. You boom batalola. Hi. No, you are suffered. Who got you in this house in the first place? Hi.
No matter the provocation, you don't have to challenge your mother in this house.
Papa, not when it has to do with my paternity. And she was casting aspersion on you.
Shut up. What do you know about paternity? Even though aspersion is casted on me, you don't have any right to challenge your mother. Do you hear me? She's still my wife in this house.
Papa, you're surprising me.
And I will surprise you the more if you don't go to apologize to your mother. Yes, go and apologize to her. I said go and apologize to her.
Papa, what?
I said go and apologize to her. Shut up and when I'm talking. Go there and apologize to your mother.
FIFA for my corner, cousin in my. She will say men as come. She will say men are useless. Okupe kusia wata kuni yawe payaleba. Mpolo nekola. If you go, ajone na muta kwa joma. Maka etine se meka mwase menana.
Now, I want to ask you a question. What gave you the guts, the impetus, the boldness to challenge my authority in my house? What gave you that wild wind that you grew all of a sudden? Is he your father?
No, Mama, my dad has no hand in this. In fact, he was even angry at me that I challenged him. I'm sorry, Mama.
No, ma. Now let me warn you. Don't you ever in your life, in your dreams, even in your trance, challenge me in this life again. Hold your ears as I'm talking to you. Don't ever try it to challenge me in my presence. I won't call you your son. Because if you try it again, what you will see, you will not like it. Did you hear me?
Yes, Mama. I'll do exactly what you said.
Okay. Go inside and dress up. You go on an errand.
Why? My love, you are such a wonderful wife and a good manager. Somebody eating this soup will not believe that you prepared it with just 1,000 naira. If it were other women, they will tell you that 1,000 naira cannot afford to buy anything from the market these days. See, like this, we will give 500 naira a try. You could as well do something reasonable.
Ha! Patrick, as a reasonable man in this country presently, so if you were told I prepared this food with just 1,000 naira, you will believe it, Abi?
Isn't it? Why won't I believe? You are useless and jobless. Where else could you have gotten money apart from the one I gave to you?
Patrick, I can see you are seeking for an opportunity to start beating me up again. But I tell you, it will not work for you. You'll be disappointed.
Woman, truth must be told. You see, if this soup cost more than 1,000 naira, then you owe me an explanation as to where you got the extra money you added. Isn't it? No. Are you indirectly telling me that you have started seeing other men outside? Eh? Who now give you money and advise you to disrespect and ignore me? Isn't it? Come back here! Look, if you don't want to get it hot from me, come back here, Isn't Idiot! Come and open your mouth again.
Uncle Patrick, do you even remember that one day you could mistakenly beat at Ezine to death?
Bia, Kaima, if you don't disappear from here, I will teach you a lesson you will not forget. Don't let me vent my anger on you.
Uncle, I want you to kill me. Actually, you won't. I'm not afraid of dying. I want to think of that. I want you to kill me and see how far you go with my father, Obio. Do you think that I'm Auntie Ezine who is an orphan?
Okay. Kaima, so you have grown wings as to challenge me in this house. So this is the type of seed Ezine is planting in you. Ezine?
Every time, you're beating a defenseless lady for no reason. Why did you kill her? And I will not go what I saw.
Come and stand here and challenge me now. One bash. No problem. Oh yes, Ezine has it. Ezine, no problem.
Yeah, Mama.
Mama.
Whose soup are you dishing out like that?
It's for Papa.
Eh? For
Papa.
which God-forsaken cause Papa are you talking about? Give me a spoon. Eh? All this food for your father. Don't allow me to curse you in this house. Hi! Chineke, eh? What won't I say in this life? Eh? Hi! All this fish for your father. Chineke, get welcome. Hi!
Mama.
Mama,
Which are going to eat this kind of thing?
Wait, shut up, also. Don't start that your useless attitude of defending that thing you call father. I'll kill you. If all I'm put I get here. Hi!
Mama, this is not fair. This is maltreatment. It's wickedness.
Shut up! If you give him this food, he refuses to eat it. Bring it back for me. He doesn't contribute anything to it. Imagine. Chineke na. Go and serve it. Go and serve it also. Wait. Come here. That soup is too much.
Mama is small now.
No.
Oh, Mama.
Go and serve him that thing also, sir. What do you know? If he doesn't want to eat it, bring it back. Onyala. Eh? What kind of who will take go share? Take your father, Chineke for a walk. Chineke. Hi. I wasn't here now. I said, let me show fast. Hi. Chineke. God, you're faithful.
Ada? Does it mean your mother did not prepare this soup with anything like fish or meat at all?
Papa, me, I don't want to talk. Oh. Remember you said I should not come in between you and your wife. Have you forgotten?
Meaning that you can dish out this sort of soup for your own dad to eat in this house?
But you know I don't have the right to put fish or put meat. I'm not the one in charge. It's Mama. No, Mama is in charge of everything in this house. So,
Nana! Nana! Come here now. Come here.
Okay then, what is it? Why are you calling me? Can't you put it respect? Come in. I won't like come in phone name.
What sort of nonsense is this?
I don't understand.
Have I suddenly become a slave in my own house that you will dish this sort of food for me?
Are you mad? Are you stupid? Are you senseless? Are you not happy that you saw that kind of wonderful soup and apple? 4 apple, not even 1. I gave you 4 apple and middle of it. Didn't I try? Don't try me. Do you know how I hustle to get money to make this soup? Okay, look at this soup. Look at it. 6 soup. There's even small and fish there. Let me even give you some. I'm just telling you. I swear. I put pieces of fish in that soup. Let me tell you. Is that what you call me?
Nana, what is this? What is this?
You see, welcome. Let this be the first and last time you call me here to tell me nonsense. You should be thanking God that I gave you Milofe and Akpo. It's only a nice woman that can do this. Why you never want to beg about this thing? Thank God. If you don't eat this food, you just cover it for me. See, if your father does not eat this food, bring it this time for me. And you don't come and let me do it. Nena.
I don't want my request to seem as if I don't have respect or as if I'm intruding into you and your husband's business.
What is your request?
Mama, they said there's no smoke without fire.
Whoever that said that is right. Never be smoking. We get no fire in that. What is your request?
So, Mama, please tell me, what is it that Papa has done? Or what is he doing that warrants such maltreatment from you?
Norma.
Mama.
How many times did I call you? Hold your ears. Did I call once again? Let this be the very last time you ask me this stupid question. And Anuya, whatever that is going on between your father and I is none of your business. Talk about it when I want to. Anuya, don't ever ask me this silly question again in this house. I'm
sorry, Mama. My Mama is the only child in this family. I think I should know what is really wrong. What is going on? What's the secret? Please tell me, Mama.
sure, no, only child. I can see that you don't want us to have this discussion. Be cool. Only child. Leave this matter alone. Anuya.
Okay, Mama, fine. I'll respect your opinion. But please, can you reduce the maltreatment a bit? Please, have mercy on Papa. I don't want him to have heart attack.
No, Mama. But
What
What have you done to my mother to deserve this?
Whatever the matter to be belongs to the past. I have begged severally, but she won't forgive.
Papa, please tell me, what exactly is your offense that is beyond pardon?
Hey. Imagine your father being fed like a dog in my own house. Is it not abomination?
Papa, that is not the answer to my question now. Papa, I demand to know, what exactly is your offense? What have you done to my mother to deserve this treatment in your own house?
Hey. Nnebe, your mother is in a better position to say. Hence, she is the one bearing the grudges.
Papa, you're driving me deeper into confusion. Eh? Or do you want me to believe that you're guilty of the accusations leveled on you by my mother?
Nnebe, it is better we allow this matter to rest. I have decided to accept my fate.
Papa, I don't just like what is going on in this house. I don't know what to believe anymore. I don't like this.
Don't worry, don't.
Somebody should talk to me. What's going on in this family?
My beautiful angel, how are you?
I'm fine.
Good. It is too early for a beautiful angel like you to watch this village party alone.
I woke up early to run some errands for my mother.
Oh, that's wonderful. This even suggests that you are a hardworking lady.
Thank you.
It's all right.
I should be on my way going now.
No. You won't be on your way until I still tell you that I'm very, very serious in my proposals. I really love you, Norma.
Mr. Okolo, since you keep insisting about this whole thing, I'll get words across to you.
Please, you know what? Let your words be in acceptance, please. Let it be in acceptance. Stop turning down my proposal down. I really love you, Norma, please.
We'll see about that.
It's all right. Enter, let me drop you.
See how you look like your mother. The only thing that you didn't take. Nah, there's a way you behave. When you were in the womb, you could have carried my front to my back. You didn't even carry the front at all.
I carried Papa's own.
It's okay, but it's gonna be better you carry my own. I got created on a Sunday morning.
Hey, Mama. If you see the way Okolo was begging me to marry him, begging me seriously, I could even see lust in his eyes.
I'm sure he must have been salivating too.
Mama, how did you know?
I'm guessing it now. Okay. Men, useless people.
Hey! Mama, he was even begging me seriously to accept his money. I told him I don't want to. He was begging, please accept this 5,000 naira. He wanted to cry.
5,000 naira?
Yes, Mama.
He gave you, accept this 5,000 naira?
Yes, he said I should use it to buy cream to maintain my beauty.
Obio. He gave you 5,000 naira only for cream?
Yes, Mama.
Hey! Hey! We'll be thanking this God. You'll be thanking your mother. This is nice. That's very good. Adamo! Adam Dike! Hey. This is very nice. Norma,
Mama.
you are my treasure. My ATM machine. If you put card, Egola, Masi, better go. God just used you to elevate me from this poverty.
Yes, Mama, not just you. To elevate this family from poverty.
Let me correct you. You see, in this life, there are people that God, before their mother gave birth to them, destined that they will never be rich in life. So people are born poor. You got to go, like your father now, he's destined to be poor. Even if you like carry all the anointing on you put on his head for man, poor. I'm telling you the truth, though. I'm just telling you the truth. It's only me that God will elevate from this family. That one is cross. I don't even have time to do the discussion with you before this. I should come back. I'll take 4,000 and you hold the 1,000.
Mama, this money was given to me now. I should take the lion's share.
Lion's share for what? It's me that is the mother hen. I gave birth to you. Do you know how I struggled to take you? Do you know how I lay down that day and spread my leg for God to mold into this world? Don't remind me of the labor pain I went through. I don't like remembering it. I'm trying.
Remember, I'm the golden egg.
Shut up. Golden egg from where? I'm the golden womb, golden mother, golden everything, golden machine. Not even stop being greedy, like your father. Carry that one and go.
Okay, Mama,
and let me tell you something. Whenever you're going on the road, this is your small yash. She's very small. Shaking it. Be a shaker. Men will continue to strong it. Go.
She know they see your face, she know they look your face, yeah. She got no respect for men. Hey, Papa FIFA for my gunner, cause she will say men as come, she will say men are useless.
If you agree to marry me, Okoro Kanze, Akuelele, I shall stop at nothing to make you happy. Let me tell you, every day, as long as the sun rises, shall be Christmas for us.
Okolo, promises are easier said than kept. It's not by saying all this now. I am even scared of getting married right now because of all the things happening in my friend's house with her so-called husband, violence, maltreating her every now and then. I'm even having a double thought.
Now listen to me. All men are not the same. Though I don't know what your friend is experiencing in her family. But as long as I'm concerned, I give you the assurance that if you get married to me, you will always be happy with me. That's my promise.
But wait, is that why you stopped the car?
Well, it's part of it. It's just to prove to you how much I love you. Look, I love you with my life.
It's okay, but let me tell you, it's not by convincing me to accept you. Even if I accept you, you still have my mother to convince. There are several rivers you have to cross, so you should just, if at all you are ready for it. I don't know.
Now listen to me. You are my principal challenge. Just agree to marry me. Forget about every other thing. Look, Okoro Kanze you see here is a player. I know how to handle things. So as soon as you say yes, I know how to handle everything.
You have to take it to God in prayer. There is nothing God cannot do. Pray for God to touch my mind to accept you. Then we'll see about that.
Don't worry. All I know is that Nama belongs to Okoro Kanze, Akuelele.
Let's wait and see.
It's all right. It's like you need some money for creams.
Exactly.
Okay. Don't worry. I know what to do.
Who's there?
Yes, Obio. What is it? How did you come here? How do you even know I was even there?
I went to your father's house. I was told that you guys came to your grandfather's house. So I came to see you. I said, damn the consequences. I must see you today. That's why I came.
Obio, do you know that you're very stupid? How many times do I have to go to visit me? Don't visit me, or do you want to come in trouble?
Don't blame me now. I missed you so much. But I don't know if you understand the level of love I have for you. I am ready to cross the 7 seas, climb a mountain, just come and be with you. But don't you understand?
In as much as I appreciate you, I don't want you to put me in trouble. Don't visit me. Can't you just get it? Don't visit me. I don't want my parents' embarrassment.
No, my breaks my heart when you say these words. You don't even understand. I love you so much. I'm like, I don't want to survive without you. Why are you sounding like this now? Why is this so difficult for you to understand?
I know. I don't want to put me in trouble. You know I'm a mother. There's no what she can do. I don't want their problems. I don't want her. Just go before she gets here. Just go. If I know when my father gets here, don't I not want you. Just leave. Just go.
FIFA for my corner, cuisine. She will say men as come. She will say men are useless. Okupe wata buni yawe payaleba. Mpolo nekola. Ifugo ajone na muta kwa jongwa. Maka etune se meka mwasi menana. Ofifili na
What's going on now?
Chibu Kings.
My man.
It's like you're going for the fun.
Yes. You know, I usually come around each farming season and season of days and all that. Although, you know, I usually hire regulars, but supervise the ones that do their rice.
Wow. Yeah. And that's the difference between you and this other rich dudes. You're a true man.
I won't play to the guy. I know my background. None of us works. You don't control them.
You're not far from the truth, man. Eh? Meanwhile, how's your aged mother in the city?
She's okay. She's okay. But too much worries of coming home to take care of my livestock. I don't know.
Old women and their love for their livestock.
Yeah.
But I don't believe in that. Okay? Keep her there until she's better.
It's alright. Don't call me. If I don't know what more to do, I have to hire more household to be taking care of my livestock. Yeah, I can afford to do.
I don't wish that for my enemy.
Yes.
I know what I'm going through right now as an orphan.
Obi, I'm happy to see you.
Same here, bro. Maybe I'll come and see you.
You're looking good. Thank you. It's okay.
Bye.
Okay.
Mama. I'll be on my way. Thank you. We'll see you next time. let me die.
Kolo, it is easier said than done. You just have to be sure of your promises. That's it.
Now let me tell you something. To show you how authentic my promise are. How much do you work for your company?
It's not much. Just 20,000 naira.
20,000 is a small one. Look, I will make it 30,000. Now listen to me. See, money will not be a problem. It will be a problem. So, it will be a problem as long as the brokers is concerned. It goes back. Huh?
You see, these are the kind of things I love to hear. See, when there is enough money, my love for you will be increasing. Immediately.
I'm sorry, let me ask you one question. What is your business for?
Does it matter whatever is coming here?
No, it matters. It matters. And I hope it's not what I'm thinking. No, tell me the truth.
What are you thinking?
My request is not to look for your hand in marriage.
Your guess is as good as mine. Exactly.
Obinna must be mad. Obinna must be mad. Look, I will kill Obinna. I will crush him. Imagine Obinna.
Please, Okolo. Just give me the money first. What's all this ones you're talking about? See, I am a single girl. A beautiful one at that matter. So, every man loves good things. So anyone can come ask for my hand in marriage. The door is wide open. It is left for me to decide who I want to marry. Which one you're shout?
It's true, you're right. Listen to me. Please, just choose me. Let me tell you, I'm sincerely in love with you. In fact, I'm mad about you.
You should be begging. I'm not quarreling over someone else.
It's alright, it's alright.
Bring the money now. Where is the money?
No, I'll give you the money.
Bring it first.
Hey, good day.
Show walking. Let me be seeing it.
In fact,
Don't
you can
count.
hold it, even if it's above.
Give me that remaining one now.
Huh?
Yes, now. You don't want
It's
to
alright,
marry.
you can go. It's alright.
Okay.
It's alright.
Thank
It's alright.
Okay, you can go in. Let me.
It's alright. You see this West? Instead of me to die like a papa, I would die on top of that West. Hi!
I know Patrick must be in there. He will be ignoring me, I know. But I'm going to break down this door today. Patrick, come and open this door for me, okay? Yo, please, idiot! Don't you ever lay your filthy hands on me! Not ever! Not now! This violence has to stop!
Isn't it? So, it is me, Patrick, that you're warning insultively.
Patrick, who are you that I can more warn you? Ibujubu, are you God? Hey!
I can see there is something behind this sudden rudeness of yours. But no problem. I reserve my actions this night. Mr. Obio.
Patrick, you don't have to reserve any nonsense action. Patrick, you have to kill me this night, oh. Yes, you are just an animal. See, Patrick, if you don't kill me this night, shame on to you.
Isn't it? So, you have the impetus to challenge me, eh? No problem. You see, this is the beginning of your end. Mr. Obio. Chaka Orom.
What can get away in nonsense?
By side, we shall see. Useless woman. No nonsense.
possible tactics I can use to win in that normal slot. She's making me pass sleepless nights.
Okoro, you know, as my friend and kinsman, I could advise you to look around and get another mate in addition to Mama.
Why are you sounding like
to avoid disappointment?
Why are you sounding like this? Why?
Don't pretend, Okoro. You want to tell me that you are not aware that Obinna, the son of late Mazio Ede, is engaged with that Nadia. And their marriage is about to conclude.
Why are you talking like a kid? You mean Obinna, that unemployed graduate?
Yes, the Obinna you know.
Okunta. Obinna is never a threat to me. First, he should endeavor to make money. And feed himself properly before thinking about marriage.
Yes, there is sense in what you said right now. But remember, women, they behave somehow. They can be blindfolded because of love, not minding the money. Can't you see it?
No, I don't agree with you on this. I don't. Look, let me tell you. There is no love that can function well without the power of money. Remember, every woman needs comfort, including my own mother. Even your mother today, your mother is dead. Excuse me, please.
Yes, there is sense in what you said. Every woman needs comfort and money.
I need the correct one.
Hi, Ezina, my daughter. Let me see you up.
Hi, Baba.
No.
Hey, Mama.
Huh?
You are a wonderful marriage counselor. Huh? Your advice worked like magic.
Are you serious?
Etiko.
Hi! And you are a wonderful scholar.
Hi, Mama.
A good student. What happened?
Did you know that when I got home that night, I was banging on the door? Did you know that idiot sneaked from my back? Without my knowledge, I started beating me.
Hey! And what did you do?
I turned and charged like a lioness to him. Calling him names. I even challenged him to kill me. Else he'll be seen as a weakling.
Ijia, you are a good student.
Yes.
You see, I told you, men need to be resisted. If you resist them, imagine they'll go and sit down and have everything.
Yes, sir.
But if you keep quiet, they will send it to your early grave. Ndiala. Mad people. If they do what you question, they can't do anything. You see? You see? So what again did he do now?
Mama, he did not do anything, no. Other than moping at me like a child whose mother left to the market without breastfeeding.
Don't worry, my dear. At least I'm happy that you're laughing.
Yes, sir. Mama. Thank you very much for your motherly advice. In fact, I will start resisting Patrick.
Hey! If he tries to touch you again, come and tell me. I'll show you how to silence him for good.
Mama, you mean kill him?
No. Killing him is making it easy for him. His rest will be fast. No. I will show you how to make him a living corpse. Or then do I want to Don't worry, I'm happy that you're... Let's go, you're
Thank
good.
you, Mama.
Got no respect for men. Hey, Papa FIFA for my corner, cousin. She will say men as come. She will say men are useless. Opu bekusia watabuli yawe payaleba. Mpolo nekola. Ifugo ajonne na mota kwa jongwa.
I'm sorry for keeping you waiting. I received an early call from one of my big customers, so I have to rush to my warehouse to do the supply before coming.
Okolo, please. If this is how you will be behaving in this relationship, we will better end it now that we've not gone far. What kind of treatment is this one? As if I no longer know who I am.
But it's all right, please. I'm sorry. I'll make it up with you. It won't happen again, please. I promise.
You see why I don't like local people? Because if it were to be an educated person now, he is going to call me on the phone and tell me, I'm sorry, or I'm coming in so time, and the person will keep to it, but you will just be treating me anyhow.
Please, don't compare me with those poor but educated ones who cannot afford to make you happy. Please. I promise you it won't happen again. And I, Okolo Kanse, I'm a mention that I'm Smile.
You have to spoil me with money. You have to spoil me with money.
Look, let me tell you.
Since you're not educated.
Now listen to me. My promise is that I, Okolo Kanse, I will spoil you with cash. In fact, your whole body will turn to tattoo with money. In fact, I can make Diego with Saga as long as I'm concerned. Anything money can do, I, Okolo Kanse, will do it to make you happy. Action speaks louder. It's not by talking. Don't worry. It's all right. Just go and eat time.
You don't know what you have until it is lost. You see, a good wife is a blessing from above. A virtuous woman is very rare to find. So if you find a good woman, hold on tight here. If you find a virtuous woman, brother, treat her well.
Auntie, I'm very happy for you because you stood brother's bullish attitude.
Did you know my encounter with Patrick? Did he tell you?
He did not. I was watching the drama last night. I saw brother looking defeated and foolish.
You did? I'm a baby. I wanted him to kill me so as to end the matter, but he refused.
Auntie, you beat him beyond the bed. I was waiting for him to act. But his hands are clean.
Aima, Patrick indeed pushed me to the wall. Having your father's support.
My father?
Yes, your father. Your father has been supporting him to be beating me just because I've not given him a child.
No, my father can do this. My father. Oh, small.
Hey, Emma, how are you? Isn't it? You did not see me. Emma, there's food in this house. I tell your auntie, I want to be served. Hey!
Were you not the one I asked to serve my food?
Patrick, must you always find a means to beat me in this house? Must you? When you were leaving this house, what did I tell you? I begged you money for food, but what did you do? You just left the house like that.
Isn't it, you're a good for nothing woman. You're just worthless. You can't even give me anything, nothing. Even give me a child, no. Nothing to give me as a consolation in this marriage, nothing.
Hey, Patrick, you are a fool then. Yes, for loving a worthless woman, yet insisting on marrying her. Have you given me any capital before to start a business? And I refuse.
are you carrying?
Mama, these are all the clothes Okolo bought for me.
Eh? What?
Yes, it was only the one I did not point at the boutique that he did not buy.
Ha! Okolo bought all these ones?
Yes, Mama.
Ezioku. Eh? No, he's a good man, oh, that man.
Yes.
Eh? Now let me tell you, let me advise you as your mother. Grab this opportunity that you're seeing now. Grab it well. Now that the love is still intoxicating him. Grab everything. If you go to the boutique like this, everything you see, take it. Even the one you don't want, take it.
I heard.
Ahead. Ah!
Mama.
One Jacob.
Okolo is ready to spend his last penny on me.
Why won't he spend it? Adam Jacob. The love is intoxicating him now. So if everything, even, you know, he's still taking it even. So that's why he's doing this thing. Be pointing, be taking it. In fact, even what is not in your mind, God will put things in your mind. Even you may with here. Because you see this men, they're very useless people. They are men. You can't put your trust in them. They'll mess you up. Now that he's intoxicated with love, use him well. In fact, he should be massaging you and be locking your legs small. Let him not be going there all the time. Because when kids set him now, God will forget you. That time you call you, I cannot come home.
No, Mama. Okolo will continue to do everything I want.
No.
His love will not fade.
No. I've been in this business for long. I know how they behave. As long as they keep collecting the other side, you understand? So use it. I am your mother. I can't give you wrong advice. So use it very well. Grab everything. Okay,
Mama.
That will help you more.
Mama, look at this one.
But this one, this one will enter me. All I talk is about this one is stretching well. When I wear this one,
Hey, Mama, look at this one. It's shiny.
This one, you might fit your mother more. I can cut it to a little and so glass. When you go kiss this guy now, I'm going to get rid of it. Take care of it.
I will eat it, Mommy.
I will finish it, Mommy.
If you go, I don't know what
Mama, why are you talking like this? Ladies like you marry for love and not for money. Don't act naive, please.
You know what are you talking about?
You think I don't know? Huh? No, you think you can keep deceiving me like this? You think I do not know you've been pushing me away because of Okolo?
And so what? This is my choice. It is my life here we're talking about.
Yes, it is your life, but I'm here to direct your life. And also make it visionary because you're walking into darkness.
Excuse me.
Nama, I love you so much. I don't know why it's so difficult for you to see this. Please, I beg you. Leave Okolo. Marry me. You know, I'm a graduate. And together we can build a formidable family.
Obina, build whatever you want to build with another lady. Not me. I am not available. Obina, I cannot marry a poor man like you. Get that into your skull. Get it!
Okrokanza.
I am
in charge. This is my house. You are welcome. As long as my daughter has accepted your proposal. She's your wife.
Huh?
She is your wife. I am in charge. Nobody talks here.
I press you.
Hey.
I am very, very excited because of this your statement. I'm so very happy. Oh, this money, this is 5,000 naira.
For me?
Look, let me tell you something. In Germany, where there is no energy giving food, very early in the morning, people will use alcohol to lay foundation in the stomach. That is why I took you out.
Hey!
Let me guys see your wife.
Thank you for the drink.
Hey, it's alright.
Go and see. Even if you don't see her, I am in charge. Igwe is in charge. Nobody speaks.
Look, I am very, very happy. Okay. At least now, I know that I am always welcome. Hmm?
Yes, you are welcome. Norma is your wife.
Thank you.
What nonsense? What rubbish? Eh? What nonsense is that? What nonsense is that?
Mama, I just took your husband out to spell him just small. We took some bottles of liquid to lay foundation in the stomach.
For taking that thing out, you have lost your chances of marrying my daughter.
Huh? Mm-hmm. Mama, please. I'm ready to make good my mistakes.
I remember you took him out. As ugly as you are you stupid? You over my dead body will you marry my daughter?
I'm very, very sorry. And besides, we are talking about your husband.
Shut up! Huh? He is just a man in this house. A useless one at that. For going to him first, you will never marry my daughter.
Mama, please, we can still... Please, just forgive me.
Just shut... Now get out.
Huh?
See that poster? Where is the member? Get out! Unyala, it's not body. Very ugly thing. That's the Allah Bupi Abuya like I said. How useless people like anyway. Why I never too much like this?
I never in my life imagined that taking my father-in-law to be out for some bottles of beer will cause me trouble. I never imagined that at all.
Okuru, why are you crying like a baby? I see nothing wrong taking your father-in-law to the bar.
Listen, the wife, that's the mother to Norma, swore that over her dead body will I marry her daughter again.
Then leave her daughter. There is many other beautiful medians in this community.
Oh, Konta, stop sounding this way.
Who are fighting and rushing to marry you. Pick one and marry them.
Forget about this you are saying. Listen to me. Look, if I fail to marry Norma, I will remain single for life.
For what? So if you marry Norma, Norma die tomorrow, you no go marry again? She is the most beautiful lady median in this community.
Of course. To me, she is. She is so. Look, when I take a good look at Norma, her beauty and all that, to me she is the best of all ladies, though I don't know you.
Okoro, Micheal again. Micheal, stop talking like this. There is other beautiful ladies in this community you can be.
Okonta, your problem is that you don't have the designing spirit of assessing the beauty and quality in a lady. Assuming you do, one neck I want to defend them.
Excuse me, please. If you have beer, go and give me to drink. Is that is why you take me out from my farm? Why are you sounding like this?
So, as I have problem, I called you for us to...
There is no problem you calling me. Pick another beautiful media.
Nah, Rabbi fine, because...
Imagine the insult to Kolo. Insult that the English of Kolo melted on me. by going to see your father to discuss about you before coming to see me. Is it not stupid? How could you do it like that?
Mama, if I may say, I think Okolo was just following the due process, our normal tradition.
That's another rubbish. In this house of the man, you should have seen me first. I'm the head of this family, the man in this house, as a matter of fact.
Mama, please, I am begging you. Don't do anything that will ruin this family's reputation. Because...
What stupid reputation? Does your father have any reputation? Does he have anything to protect?
Mama, he is your husband.
He's dead already. I'll be the one to bury him. Reputation.
Mama, he has reputation. He is the man of this house. He is your husband. Mama, please, oh. Hey.
Bekem, the worst thing you will do in life is to take a woman's love for granted. Worst sin you commit in life. Hi.
But Mama, does this have anything to do with the issues you and Papa is having?
Norma, curiosity they say kills the monkey. Because the monkey would like to witness everything around it. In the process, a bullet of a hunter will hit its head. Or more,
Mama, I am confused. I no longer understand what you're saying. The most important thing is I don't want issues in this family again. Please.
The world can be destroyed in 1 second. Your life can be destroyed in 1 second. The moment you take a woman's love for granted, that alone, that wrath, that anger in that woman can destroy the whole world in 1 second. It was where you get a can go on again. Sorry. Okay. It's okay. It's a soup ready.
Now I have given you beer. I think this our friendship thing needs to be cut off. Because I'm not benefiting anything from you.
Kuro, why are you talking like this? What is your problem? Why are you talking like a child?
Go ahead and curse me. No, why won't you? Just take a good look.
Always talk like a child.
Just take a good look at yourself. I benefit nothing. Keeping you as a friend since I ever know you. What's your problem? Imagine in this my condition, in this situation now, I cannot even extract something useful idea from you as a friend.
Okuro, listen, talk to me with respect. Why are you talking like that and behaving like that? Is it because God gives you a little money? Because God gives you a little money?
Who is talking about money?
Your behavior and your character prove it.
Okunta, let's cut the first hand, face the facts. Just give me ideas. Tell me what to do to win Norma's love. I need that girl. I need the girl madly. In fact, I'm mad about that lady.
Okoro, go ahead and mad. Ndị Igbo sonye tinye isi n'okpu okpu abalị isi, owepụ isi n'okpu. Or if to mad because of Norma will make you happy, go ahead and mad. A lady that her mother ruled, even detect for her. Even when the husband is still alive.
Look, Okunta. Let's face the facts and leave the family laid-down principle. After all, there is no generally accepted rules for families. So,
See, Okoro, I want to advise you and bring a suggestion.
Go ahead.
Go to the mother of that lady. Apologize for her. Tell her for mercy. Probably she may forgive you and consider you back.
Hey! You know why I'm clapping for you? You know why? Man, listen to me now. I'm clapping for you because since ever I know you, this is the first time you're saying something horrible. Get them mad.
Timer! for the last time, where is your auntie? Eh? How do you mean you don't know her whereabouts?
Brother, how should I know? You went to bed last night with her, so I should be the one asking you.
You are hiding something from me. Because every mate that I know must have told you something.
Brother, she did not tell me anything, no. Than that you want to kill her in a cold blood. That is all.
Come here also. Yeah. Oh yeah. Spill also. Because I know you're hiding
Brother,
something.
you wound me, oh.
Come on, talk also.
You wound me, oh. She did not tell me anything, you wound me, oh.
Idiot. No problem. I will leave you. See, if I find out that you know something, you will regret living in this house with me.
This is just the beginning. Now you're busy beating her, you didn't even think twice. Yeah, Tafofia, you will suffer.
Woman, it's very rare to find. So if you find a good woman, no, hold on tight, yeah. If you find a virtuous woman, no.
Mama, that's why I decided to come see you before I
This thing that you made now simply shows that you suck your mother neck very well.
Thank you very much, Mama. Thank you so much.
So you know how important my decision is in this matter. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this simply shows. Let me even ask you, have you made the intentions known to your daughter?
Yes, Mama. I made my intentions known to her, but her response is not encouraging. That is why I decided to come and see you, so you can help me, convince her. Yes.
So you know I'm the engine house.
Of course.
The machine is a girl, I am back. Hey! If you're coming to meet another like you come to my you came empty-handed to me.
How can I? I came prepared.
Hey! I
came prepared, oh Mama. Yes, sir. Yes. Hey! I decided to prepare myself, Mama.
With 3,000 naira.
Yes, Mama, it's 3K.
If I tell you that you are not prepared to marry my daughter, or you are not equal to those that should marry my daughter, do we give you?
Mama, please now. Why will you talk like this?
Because of legally the 3,000 naira. You can stop to me.
It's alright, Mama. Don't worry. I will rally around and bring 2K before the end of today so that we can balance 5K now.
Are we selling crayfish here? Are we selling crayfish here? You let your man go to and they see me in 5K. It's an insult now. So how do you want to maintain my daughter? Coffee le kote anya. Mbamba one.
Mama, I swear I'll maintain her very well.
You
I'll maintain her,
well?
yes. Let me just rally around and see what I can gather up and then bring to you.
That one is good.
Okay.
See what I can get.
Yes.
Hey, I'll go make the making. It's okay, I'll be waiting.
Got no respect for men.
I'll go make the making. I'll go make the making.
She will say men as come. She will say men are useless.
Tiger,
Yes, sir.
you may go. You're welcome.
Thank you very much, sir. Chief, you know me.
I also know your late father.
I was just surprised.
Have you forgotten that I was born, bred and buttered here in the village before I left for the city?
Yes. I'm just surprised you can still remember faces and even names. You must be a genius.
Yes, I have that as a special gift from God. Most of you must have been born before I left for the city, and my sojourn years in abroad.
Yes, sir. I just feel honored to be remembered by you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Mama, how did it go?
Ha! You went well, oh. At least that boy has a brain, common sense, at least you have come to me first before going to anybody. You have approached me first as a man of this family. I am no one sense. But the only problem I have with that boy is that he's just a fine looking boy. Let me go. You got to go. But when he's a fine boy, a medicator, why is useless? If you want to come for my daughter, you have to at least have money. I'll have a job.
See, Mama, I don't want to marry a poor man. I don't want to marry a poor man. I told Obina, I said, check your pocket very well before coming to ask for my hand.
That is a problem. He doesn't have anything. That is what the problem is, because a poor man cannot even marry you. Oh. I don't want to have a poor in-law. That is just the truth. If Obina want to marry you, let him look for work or have something doing. Is he mad?
See, Mama, I want to marry someone that is financially stable. Yeah. A man that is already made. I don't want to suffer with anybody. Mama,
not financially stable. You marry a man that has a lot of money.
Yes.
Because it takes a lot of money to maintain this our complexion. And this your hair. You will bring bigger ones. I don't want a copper. I don't want that kind of thing. You can't put this place on fire now. There's only the beans.
Mama, I'm not done. I'm still selecting.
For you, make this happen.
Have mercy on this young man. If he had known, he wouldn't have taken me for a drink before informing you of his intention to marry
Respect yourself. Don't you look at yourself? This white hairs in your head, is it fancy? Don't you know how to behave yourself? See, I don't want to start with you. I don't want us to wash our dirty linen here in public. Respect yourself. I'm warning you for the very last time. I don't even know why he came to see you. Ah.
What is happening?
I don't even understand.
How do you mean?
What is my business? I don't know, I don't care. All I'm telling you is mind your business. Stay away from whatever does not concern you. What nonsense? You walked here to tell me about that Kuala. Come on, say what person go inside the house.
Oh, I am sorry. I am sorry. Please, have mercy on me.
Oh. The more you prolong, the more you say here, you prolong the anger in me, and the more I will not listen to this young man.
You know, he came crying for my intervention.
Because you are poor. Go inside the house also.
So go do.
So that you not spoil things for me.
Nonsense. Go inside the house also. I don't even understand why he will come here and come and see you first. Seek for your consent. How? Are you mad? Rubbish. In fact, for this thing you do today, you don't eat food today. Yeah, now go. Yeah, okay, sit down. What gave you the guts to go and talk to my husband first before talking to me? Who is he? Who is he in this house that you have to go there first before talking to me? You don't have respect.
But I think he's the husband.
That Kuala. What stupid husband? He's just a man in the house. Don't try it next time with me. I want with me next time.
I'm sorry, please. I don't know the rule. But now I know the rule. It won't happen again, please.
Ah. Have you had a look at my daughter? God just molded that girl and dumped that girl in my home. Do you know what I went through to conceive that girl? My home got through. I had to open my legs so wide for the whole thing to go in. And the king was there. When I gave birth to her, you need to see what happened. I didn't struggle myself. Once I went there, I lied there, opened my legs, and the king just came. Ah! I didn't clean her. She was bleeding from the womb. Hi!
Mama, I know. That is why I have to pay the amount of money to marry her. You're right.
Looking at you alone, I'm discouraged.
Thank you.
Your mother tried.
It's true.
That woman must have suffered so.
Exactly. She suffered.
Anyway, combining it now, it will give you a better product.
Thank God.
Even your head, your tummy, it's okay. How much do you have?
Like I said before, that I came with some money to apologize for my mistakes. I have 20,000.
Aye! There are insults I cannot take.
Huh?
You looked at me very well. 20,000 naira. For what? Do you know how much my hair is? Is it for my powder? 20,000. Now get out. Get out! I'm just telling you, you're very ugly. I'm trying to manage your ugliness. In fact, leave my compound also, Kolo. Get out!
Mama, I'm sorry, please. Name your price, I will pay.
Huh?
Name your price, I will pay, please.
You have to pay now.
How much?
Because an ugly man like you come for a bit. If you have to, anything I say, you pay.
You're right. 100%.
Do you look like your father or your mother?
Both. They mix together.
Tell me they are two very ugly people.
But like you said.
Sure. Okay, that money, if you want my consent, for me to give you my consent to marry my daughter, I top that money to 30,000 naira.
30,000?
Only.
Mama, I'll give you 40,000.
40. It's good, I can manage it. And you're so much, it's okay, I'll manage it. No, don't laugh too much. You're very ugly, but just, I'll manage the money. It's okay. Bring it.
I should bring the money.
You want to be looking at me?
No.
Hey, you're my money.
Huh?
Do I look like your mother? Bring the money out! Hi! Okay, you can't get it. Oh, I don't want to touch your hand. You're very ugly. I don't like ugly people touching me when you read your hand. Is it complete?
Yes. Thank you.
Okay. You have my consent now. And next time when you come, you get something better. So that the dress can cover your ugly.
Hey, Mama. Mama.
The name is becoming too much. Go in. And you have my consent.
Okay.
Chairman, this land, I just want to sell it so that I can use it to solve the problem that's choking me to death.
Obina, you know, I've stopped buying lands from the rural areas. They are not profitable. And moreover, before development will come here, most of us must have died.
No, this my land I'm telling you about is actually on the road. Before you know it, development will meet it. Yes.
But if I may ask you, Obina, what is that problem that is choking and making you losing your sanity?
Chief, there's this girl I want to marry. I want to sell the land and do every necessary thing immediately because there's this money misroad that is after the girl. I want to marry her before this guy takes her away from me.
Omaka, Obina, if I may ask, if you sell this land to marry a lady, what will you sell to take care of her and the expected children?
Chief, just buy the land. Let me marry her first. My aim is to marry her. When we get to that bridge, we'll cross it. For now, I just want to marry her, make sure I win her from that man. Please.
Please, I want you to go home and think about my advice. Think about this first. You don't need to dispose this land. I want you to go home and think about it, Obina.
Chief, there's nothing to think about. I've thought of it since. I've been thinking of this thing since. And that's the only thing I have to dispose right now. Please. Please, I beg you, sir. If you...
No. I told you it's against my nature. Don't need to kneel down for me. This only belongs to God. Eh? Oh, okay, you know what? You have to give me time to think about it. So let me see what I can do about that, okay? Please, just give me time to think about it. Please, I beg you.
How many seconds, sir?
I say give me time. Like tomorrow morning, you just have to come back here. Please.
Seriously, I don't understand what's going on. How much more do I need to bring before you give me your approval to marry Norma? I don't understand though.
And let me ask, can you afford 40,000?
Eh?
40,000.
40,000?
Uh-huh.
Hey.
Take away.
That means I'll have to sell all my father's properties.
40,000. Just because of 40,000, you want to sell your father's property. So, what were you planning to take care of my daughter with?
Mama, God will provide.
I don't like hearing that. All the women way. God will provide. Then leave my house and go and look for what God will provide you with before you come back here. Go and make money and bring it. Well, ask him God will provide. God will provide. Because call me, I don't like it. How much is this one?
10,000 naira.
10,000. What do you with 10,000?
Why is 10,000 naira?
Okay, let me hold this one. You have to go out there and get 30,000. Make it 40,000. So I'll see if I can manage.
Mama, don't tell me that this Okolo man has started confusing you with money.
What is your business with that? I like to be confused with money. Who doesn't like money? You go out there and make money before you come here to tell me about your Okolo or whatever. See, suitors are plenty. They are lined up. How do you go? And besides, this money is weak. Where did you pick it from? I want a woman. Get money and come back, oh. They want to get your business, let's be strong, oh. They will open new note, mint.
Kind of a woman, so wicked and mean. What could be the reason why she so mean? She know they see your face, she know they nick your face, yeah. She got no respect for men. FIFA for my corner, cousin. She will say men has come. She will say men are useless. Okupe kusia wata bully away bayaleba. Mpolon nekola. If you go, ajone na mota kwa joma. Maka etunese meka mwase menana.
Nine. Good day.
Good day. Obina, hope all is well. You look worried. Hope nobody is disturbing you in this community.
No, nobody is disturbing me in this community. I'm just faced with financial and emotional troubles.
How? I wish I can be of help. You know, as you are aware, I have been sick for so many years without any reasonable source of income.
No, it can actually be of help.
How? Huh? Tell me. I'll be happy to render my help because your late father was a generous and an easygoing man. Huh?
Thank you very much, Anai. My problem right now is your daughter, Norma. I'm worried about her. I've been seeking for a hand in marriage, and your wife is not helping matters. I'm hoping you can intervene.
Obina, you should try your best to sort yourself out. Please.
No, she has been asking me to make deposits of some money to... I don't know. I don't have the money. I don't have that kind of money.
Obina, I see you next time.
But you see, I've searched the nook and cranny of this village, all in vain, searching for one to replace Norma, but all in vain. I love Norma so much. I can't replace her.
Obina, by kneeling down, you are seriously embarrassing me. And passers-by will see us. Please, get up, please.
I'm sorry, I only did that to prove my love for Norma. I'm sorry.
If I may ask, have you spoken to Norma, my daughter? Because it is she that you are to marry.
Yes, I have. But she was of double opinion. At the end, she asked me to go and see her father and mother. That's why I'm here.
If she had said so, Obina, you have to play your card very well. You have to play your card very well. You will go and see my wife. And please, don't tell her that you have seen or discussed anything with me.
I'm sorry, Naim, but I have seen her already. She was not encouraging at all. She asked me to make a deposit first before she can give me her word.
Oh, you have seen her?
Yes, no.
Then you have to go back to her because she has the final say on this matter. Yes.
Nai.
Obina, that is exactly the way it is. That is our family agreement. If she agrees with you, I don't have any problem.
Looking for me for what?
Yes, Obina, look. I can see you have no fear. Because if you do, you will not come near a lady I'm interested on.
Can you see a very big coward? A very fat coward at that. Eh? Look at how inferior you are just acting. Irrespective of all the money you claim to have.
Obina,
Okolo?
listen. If you don't watch your mouth, if you don't watch your tongue, I will make sure I frame you up and lock in police cell for months.
Wow.
You get me right?
Police commissioner, I see you. My friend, you cannot do anything. Let me tell you. There's nothing you can do. Yes! Look at you, someone who's afraid of competition, acting like... What are you feeling like?
You must be stupid by saying that. I'm not competing anything with a papa like you. Listen, let me tell you. Norma is mine. After all, you don't have the financial muscle to drag her with me.
I'm seeing your financial muscle.
Of course, you know it.
Your stomach there now.
The
That is your financial muscle.
The evidence.
My friend, you are playing. Just keep playing. Eh? Just continue this your nonsense play. You have financial muscle. Okay, you think you are feeding me with this thing, eh? You must be very senseless to call me Papa.
Imagine this idiot. Do you know that you are a big idiot? Eh? No problem. Just stay here in the village and be dragging ladies with men like us who have made it in life. Don't go to the city and search for jobs. Though who knows whether you graduated as you claim.
Oh, wow. So people who have made it in life are actually on this road, in this village with me.
You know I parked my vehicle somewhere.
Oga, People that have made it are living abroad, doing big things. You're just here making noise. But I promise you one thing. Norma is going to be mine, whether you like it or not. Just make any mistake and talk nonsense. If I give you this punch, I'll give you...
Wait. Obina, listen to me. Do you know you are a big idiot? Now listen. We shall know the size of a lizard. As for shit to complain of muscle pull. But beside that, come, follow me. Let me give you money for lunch. Follow me to my vehicle. I'll give you money for lunch. Don't worry.
I think you have mental issue. What concerns a lizard with what we're discussing here?
Don't worry.
Because you're just switching points. You're talking out of points. Which one is lizard again?
Don't worry. Just come.
My friend, get out.
Obina, let me give you money for lunch.
Get out.
Obina, I want to help you. Come, let me give you money for lunch. Imagine this guy. I'm going to go down with you.
Your father, I will always wish the best for you.
I know, Papa, and I'm grateful about that.
Good. I want to know, among these suitors of yours, who is the best? What is the one you like?
And Papa, according to Mama, she said money is the determining factor. Any man that wants to marry me needs to have money.
Norma, the answer you just gave me is too childish. You are fully grown up and you're supposed to know what is good for you.
Papa, according to Mama and I, we have agreed that any man that wants to get married to me needs to have money, needs to be financially stable. Papa, I don't want to suffer. I don't want to manage with anyone. In order not to lose my beauty, my complexion.
Don't you know that you are making a mistake?
Okay. Enough. Stop teaching her your poverty-stinking theory. Achoro, come here. Keep your poverty to yourself. Don't give her the wrong theory of life. Any man that will marry my daughter must be very rich. And that is final. You want to go?
I'm only educating her about marriage.
Marriage?
Yes.
What do you know about marriage? What do you understand by the word marriage? Are you mad? You're educating somebody about marriage. Let it be the first and last time in this house. Hey, go on. Move.
Ubekusia nwata buli ya we payaleba mpolo nekola ifugo ajonne na mota kwa jonwa iyo maka etinne siemeka mwasiemena.
Norma. How many times did I call you?
3 times.
How many times have I warned you never to go close to me?
Mama, I was bored and I needed someone to talk to. That's why I went to him.
There is nothing that can come out. Nothing good. In fact, nothing reasonable can come out from the mouth of a way. How can you go to listen to a poverty-oriented man? The only theory he will give you is all about poverty. And if you're not careful, you end up in that lifestyle.
God forbid. Mama, I cannot marry a poor man. I don't want to suffer. I want my beauty and my complexion to be maintained. I don't want poverty.
Then if you want to marry a rich man, stop going to your father. Stop listening to the poverty-oriented man that will give you nothing but painful theories that don't make sense. Did you hear me?
Yes, Mama.
Let me not see you with that man again in this house. Ilania.
Okay, Mama.
No, I lost a lot in life because I married that idiot. I lost a lot in life. I don't like remembering it. And I don't want it to be your portion.
God forbid, Mama. It can never be my portion.
Okay.
I want to remain trendy and beautiful like this as long as I have a rich husband.
That is what I'm telling you. Stop going to that man.
If you go, I don't know what Maka etinesi meka mwasi menana. Osi fene manu kona kuzini mwao.
See, you have to go and look for money. Yes, I don't want my daughter to suffer the way I suffered. I don't want her to go through the same experience I went through in life. You got to go? So you have to go and look for money. So I can be sure that you can take care of my daughter. I'm not seeing anything. Please, I don't want her to have the same experience.
But Mama, you need to understand that I'm a graduate.
Yeah.
I have prospects. Norma and I will build our home gradually.
Which home? Looking at you, there's no future. In fact, with my spiritual eyes, you don't have any problem. Graduate, can you go to school? See, I don't want my daughter to suffer at all. See, I wanted to marry a man who will go to Bogota. If a man that has a car or money tells me that I will suffer, we will build together, I'll begin to have hope. You don't have any hope. There's nothing I'm seeing in you. Leave her alone and go your own way. Suitors are too much. I don't want this thing that you're doing now. Because you look wretched and you are cursed the way I'm now. You're cursed. I don't know from your mother or from your father.
Mama, I'm not cursed.
You're not cursed.
I'm not.
Then go to your house. No one hiding.
I know you have made up your mind not to give Norma to me. Yes, not to allow me marry her. But all the same, I believe love matters in marriages. And I love Norma so much. I love her so much, Mama.
I told him this love so much. Look, my father's sister's name was Love. That love. That love never made money. She died wretched. So I hate hearing that name. I love her. I don't like hearing it. There's no future. See, I don't see any future. You don't have any hope now. You went to school. Can you go? You didn't read anything useful. Leave her alone. You are cursed. You are poor. There's no future in you. Stop coming around my house.
It's all right, Mama. It's all right. I'll go.
Go.
I'll go.
Go.
But just so you know, I love Norma so much. And I wish her well.
Norma wish you well too. Go. I wish you well. Lawazie, carry yourself. And this, look at your belt. It's old. You gotta look for someone like that.
Yeah, she know they see your face. She know they look your face. Yeah. She got no respect for men.
Cannot take care of herself. Patrick, don't be deceived by my age. Don't ever be deceived by my age, because I will swallow your life. Patrick, don't underrate what I can do to you. Patrick, don't underrate what I can do to you.
Old man, withdraw all those threats from my husband now, or I will.
Who are you ordering? Who are you to order me? Who are you to order me? Who are like you?
Now, on your nails.
I will not.
Or I will handle you like a common thief.
Hey. I need that.